Hey guys and gals, welcome back to another video. My name is Anton Maroon, and today this video is a little bit different because we are not touring somebody else's van. We're actually touring my van, which I actually built and I actually own. Hope you guys enjoy. Guys, 90% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. What kind of sick world is this where people watch my videos and not subscribe? We want to support the channel. It's totally free. Let's get to the tour. Alright, so this van is a 1994 Ford Econoline E150. It has 123,000 miles, and the engine actually runs spectacular, especially for its age. Which is actually the same age as me. Oh my god, we're like brothers. Interesting. Alright, so we're gonna start over with my kitchen. Now, the kitchen sink is a stainless steel sink that I got on Amazon. It's 15 inches by 17 inches, so it's actually super spacious for this van. A lot of room for sink activity to go on. The water pump switch is right on the side, right here. And then I basically just do this, and water comes out, like a sink. And then, yeah, turn off the water pump switch. There's not so much room on this counter, but I do have a flip out counter that I use to get some extra space. Under the sink, let's see what we got under here. So right now I just have a little bucket to catch the water, just kind of a temporary solution until I get like a little gray water tank. This should not be here. I got some soap and some kitchen stuff. I got that brush over there, so that's gonna go in that little box. All right, so behind the kitchen, behind the kitchen cabinet, we have a cork board. This is gonna be used more for like putting sticky notes. I'll put like a little calendar, something like that, just like light things. The original idea was to put a whiteboard on the back, but my girlfriend gave me this idea for the cork board, put it in, and it worked fantastic. All right, so right under the bed, I have 3 drawers, and directly across from that, we have my Dometic CFX 3 45-liter fridge, and this thing is really cool. It works very well. Little expensive, really good fridge, really good quality, very efficient. Here, see, we got some eggs, we got some juice, decent amount of space. Right now this thing is 39 degrees, so really dang cold. You can kind of use it as a little chair. So right now I'm just sitting on the fridge. So my bench. So right here we have a 4-inch memory foam cushion. So under here, just gonna throw that cushion on the bed real quick. All right. Pull this open. So I just put this seat belt around here, and that actually holds that open. Very high tech. And then under here, I actually, this is where I store a little oven and stovetop. Here, yeah, I got paper towel, and got some peanut butter, coffee, little things there. And yeah, just kind of storage for cooking stuff, maybe some ingredients. All right, guys, so next I'm going to show you TV. So the TV's in, it's on, let's see, it's basically, it was on Netflix. I got it connected to my phone. So basically whatever I play on my phone is connected through an HDMI port, and I can basically watch anything that I would, that I can watch on my phone. So anything like streaming service, like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, anything like that, and it mirrors my screen. Watch some TV and it feels like home. I think this might be my actual favorite feature in the van. And when I hit this little switch right here, I dim these lights, and maybe you can see it a little bit. We have this upper storage area right behind me. Thank you so much, Travis, for helping me out with this. We just lined it with fabric, and it's got a nice big opening that we can store a bunch of things in there. And then I have my vent fan right above, and I think that's a really good space because it kind of gets hot in this area. But with the vent fan, it really cools it down real quick. All right guys, now I'm gonna take you around the back and show you guys the electrical system and the trunk space. It's extremely windy out here, so I apologize for any wind interference, but this is the back of the van. So we're opening up the doors, and as you can see, we got a massive amount of storage, actually. All right guys, come on, I'm gonna show you the electric system. Under the bed, we go here, and I have a 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery, and there is all the electric system. It's a 30 amp solar charge controller, an 800 watt inverter, and that inverter has a plug out here. This is actually what my TV is connected into. So that way I have 5 outlets right here, right next to the bed, pretty nice. And I've got a massive amount of storage here under the bed, which is extremely nice. I usually put whatever I need to in a couple crates, put it back here, and it's plenty of room. Here I have my battery monitor. This is the plumbing area of the van. I got 30 gallons of my water tank, and that actually has 2 uses. One for the sink, and then one for my outdoor shower. So the outdoor shower, the way it works, propane heated, it doesn't run off my electric system. Electric water heaters can take so much energy away from your van that the propane was like really my only option. I have 300 watts of solar panels. That's enough for my needs. So all I have to do is click this button, and we got some live water. So that's nice if if I go to the beach, I need to like rinse off my feet. Or if I go camping and I want to just take like a little rinse or a little quick shower, it works and I'm happy. Now I'm going to show you the front cab of the van, which before looked absolutely horrible from the first owners of the van. They put some like weird shag stuff on it, and it was like covered in glue, and it was impossible to get off, but I just got that done and it looks really good. So check it out. This is the dashboard, which again just looks brand new. Here I have, I got basically brand new seats. Did that seat, and then my other seat has a seat cover on it, just so I don't mess it up. Another cool thing I have in this van is a Lagoon Table. There we have it. We have a Lagoon Table. All right guys, a little bit about me. My name is Anton Maroon, if you didn't know. And this project took me about a year. A lot of this was a big learning process. Yeah, I really didn't put too much pressure on myself to finish in a strict amount of time. So yeah, about a year. This is my first time building a van. One thing I would say to somebody who's maybe thinking about doing their first van build is make sure you don't make any rash decisions when buying your van. Make sure you really calculate and think out all the aspects you want of your van. It's a long process to build, so you don't want to really have any regrets in the buying process, because once you have that van, you have to commit. The reason I say that is because I bought this van and I wanted to get the high roof ProMaster, but there was not really any that were good on the market when I was buying, and I got a little bit impatient and just wanted to get building. So I bought this Ford Econoline. Other than that though, I mean, once you have your van, you know, don't be afraid to learn, build, and just fail forward and get it done. I had zero experience with any carpentry beforehand. Could barely hang a painting on the wall, barely use a drill, and I built this whole thing basically myself. Maybe that can be a little bit of encouragement for you if you feel like you don't have any hard skills. You will definitely learn throughout this process. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys in the next video.